Hi everyone, this is Priya Varrier. So I am right now in Phuket, Thailand, and this is my last day of a 4-day excursion with my family. So unfortunately, I'm saying bye-bye to this place very soon, but I wanted to let you all know that this was a very last minute plan, and thank you Pickyourtrail for helping me plan this out so well. They put together everything for me last minute, so they've been really helpful, and they have an amazing team at Pick Your Trail. So if you guys are planning on super exciting vacations, do check them out. They have an amazing team working to plan your vacations out for you. And also special shout out to SO Bangkok and Pullman Phuket Panwa. These places are where I was put up with my family, and we had a great time. So thank you Pick Your Trail, thank you so much.